What's going on, knuckleheads? So in today's video, well, you can't tell, but it's Zero Dark 30 here. Tonight's video, we are going to be changing out the headlight on the 21 Road Glide. Now, this video is not sponsored, but I did not pay for this headlight. Many of you probably know Determined Veteran. He did a 18,000 subscriber giveaway, and the prize was a headlight from HogWorks. I was one of the lucky winners. I think there was two. And before you say, oh, he gave it to you because you're a content creator, I did this from my private Facebook. So there's no way he could have known it was me. Now let's open it up. We've got instructions. We got thicker. Gotta have stickers. And we have the headlight itself. This is very nicely packaged. I can hear the hardware underneath of it. And here we have the headlight for the 21 Road Glide. Jesus. Did y'all see that bastard? Sound like it's the size of a damn pterodactyl. It does come with new hardware. And we won't be needing this little wiring extension. Now this does not have integrated turn signals that I can see yet. Oh, and it also comes with the Allen wrench to install the bolts. So let's go over to the bike and get the fairing off, and then we'll remove the headlight. All right, so the lighting on this side of the shop is horrible because I don't have any lights above my garage door when it's open. Might be something I need to fix. But to remove the fairing, watch this video, maybe this video. I don't know where the link will pop up. I haven't paid that much attention. Yeah, so we'll do that. Y'all can come back when it's time to pull the headlight out. All right, now that we got the fairing removed, the headlight removal is pretty simple. You have two bolts at the bottom, and you have two up top. You can't really see them from here. And then you have one plug-in on the back. So let's go ahead and get the headlight out. The headlight bolts are 3/16 hex head or Allen. Allen's technically a name brand like Kleenex. Or socket head. Hex head socket. Yeah, whatever the fuck they are. Oh yeah, you're supposed to cover the fender so you don't drop something on it. Obviously I didn't. I've got a fender cover right over on the workbench. I just let it slip my mind. And we're almost there, so All right, now that the headlight's loose, simply pull it away from the bike. See, we have the 2 bolts hanging out right there. And unplug it. And that is our headlight removed. We'll go ahead and take the bolts out. Now we'll go back to the workbench and pull off these side fillers. All right, now to remove these fillers, it is going to take a T25 There, now the side fillers are removed and we can pitch this. Now to reinstall the fillers, they give you brand new Phillips head screws, but I like Torx better, so we're going to reuse the stock. Only reason I really like the Torx better is so I can use my ratchet. All right, there you have the bezels installed, side bezels. Now we'll move back over the bike and get the headlight reinstalled. We will be using the new bolts for that. We will not be using the Allen key though. All right, so first thing we're going to do is plug the headlight in. This would be where it'd be good to have my fender cover on, because I can just kind of set the headlight down. But there we go. Gonna stuff that wiring back into the gap. Now we will work on getting this in there. Got to get everything lined up just right. Okay. Now you pretty well have to use an extension to start these 2 bolts. You know what? I am going to use the old hardware. The old hardware has a integrated washer. I don't know how well you all can see that. It won't come off there. Covers a little bit more of a surface area than the bolt. All right, and there is our headlight installed. Now, here I don't ever throw any bolts away unless they are completely rusted, and since these are all brand new, they'll just go over on top of the bolt bin, even back in the little plastic baggie. All right, so now what we have left is to put the fairing back. Oh, wait. You'll see this. Such a satisfying sound, ain't it? Now all we have left to do is put the fairing back on, windshield and the cowl. So I'm going to do that off camera, and then we will compare how the light was to it is now. I did take pictures. And all right, now that we have the bike button back up, we're going to shut off all the lights in the garage, shut off my outside light, and see how much brighter we get it. All right, so that is a metric shit ton better than what it was. Now I still need to upgrade the filler panel lights. At some point I'll do that. Not exactly sure when. Not filler panel, side bezel. And I also want to do I like light. I like people being able to see me. Oh, I still got to put the speaker grills back in. But that is going to do it for tonight's video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell so you know when I upload. I'll see you guys in the next one. Oh, merch link down there.